Ikea is the biggest furniture retailer in the world. What makes them so irresistible to millions of consumers every week? Ikea understands the needs of its consumers at the moments that really matter in their journey. At the Want It phase, to help consumers notice them, Ikea use traditional and social media and their infamous annual catalogue launch. Their website helps people investigate their range, and their planning tools help them consider their options before going to store to buy. When their consumers go to store to get their furniture, Ikea know they'll have had a journey to get there, so there's lots of free parking, a cafe that opens early, and free childcare. Finding products in store is easy with a clear roadmap and signage. To help you choose, Ikea take products and show you how you can fit them into your life. Products sell themselves. There are no pushy salespeople. The queues can be big to buy, so they introduced self-service checkouts and online shopping. And there's always the hot dog to reward you after the tills. When you get home, if you change your mind, you can return your items. And they'll even build all those flat packs for you if you want. When it's all ready and you want to show off your new furniture, Ikea lets you share your pictures on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Understanding their consumers at the key moments in their journey has made Ikea one of the most well-known, loved, and successful brands in the world.